Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic card Gigabyte driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. After that, this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of graphic card AORUS RTX 20808G and then click on the product. After that, click on this model number. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 8, 21, 8, 7, 11, 10. So all the operating system installations process same. Nvidia driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. You can see it will take 4 to 5 minutes and depend about your internet. And after that completed, click on three dot and click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, then here to step finished, and after that also completed driver, then restart your system.